If you want to know the truth about why residential fires have increased 40% in the last decade, do not ask the fire department. Ask an electrical inspector who examines new construction homes daily and documents systematic code violations. Ask a fire investigator who traces fires to deliberate construction shortcuts. Ask an electrician who has worked in residential construction for 30 years and watched quality standards collapse. These professionals understand something that home builders desperately conceal. Modern homes contain a critical fire hazard deliberately engineered into construction. A $2 electrical component failure causes fires, destroying entire homes. The component is knowingly defective. Builders install it anyway because the cost savings exceed the liability risk. Today, I am revealing the $2 shortcut burning down American homes. Before we continue, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. We expose construction industry fraud and fire safety issues every single week. If you care about protecting your home from preventable fires, subscribing ensures you never miss this content. Now let us reveal the $2 electrical shortcut destroying American homes. The aluminum wiring tragedy. Modern homes use aluminum branch wiring in walls instead of copper. Aluminum costs $2 less per 100 feet than copper. The cost difference seems minimal. The fire risk is enormous. Aluminum oxidizes where connections are made. The oxidation creates resistance. The resistance generates heat. The heat ignites insulation. The fire spreads rapidly. The homeowner has no warning. The home burns. Aluminum wiring was phased out in the 1970s after causing thousands of fires. Yet modern builders reintroduced aluminum wiring in certain circuits to save money. The code technically allows aluminum on certain amperage circuits. Builders exploit this loophole. They use aluminum where copper should be. They save $2 per location. They create enormous fire risk. The connection point vulnerability. Aluminum's primary danger involves connection points, where wires attach to outlets, switches, and fixtures. The connection creates an oxidation layer. The connection loosens over time. The loose connection generates heat. The heat reaches ignition temperature. The insulation catches fire. The fire spreads through walls. The home burns from within. A copper connection remains tight indefinitely. Copper does not oxidize at connection points. The connection maintains integrity across decades. Copper is the safe choice. Builders chose fire risk to save $2 per location. The code, exploitation. Modern electrical code permits aluminum wiring on 20 amp and 30 amp circuits under specific conditions. Builders exploit this permission to install aluminum throughout homes. They install aluminum on 15 amp circuits where code forbids it. They install aluma on circuits designed for copper. The code violation is documented but rarely enforced because inspection is inadequate. A new home can have 30 to 50 electrical locations. The $2 savings per location equals $60 to $100 per home. Multiply by thousands of homes built annually. The total savings exceed millions of dollars. The fire risk is transferred to homeowners. The liability is theirs. The fire investigation reality. Fire investigators document fires originating at electrical connection points in aluminum-wired homes. The fires start without warning. There are no tripped breakers. There is no smoke alarm alert. The fire burns within walls. By the time smoke appears, the fire is massive. The home is destroyed. Occupants barely escape. Some do not escape. These fires are preventable. Copper wiring eliminates the risk entirely. The cost difference is $2 per location. The builder chose fire risk. The homeowner pays with property and potentially life. The insurance nightmare. Insurance companies are recognizing aluminum wiring as a fire hazard. Some insurers refuse to cover homes with aluminum wiring. Some charge premium rates. Some require remediation before coverage. Homeowners discover the aluminum wiring liability years after purchase. The remediation cost is $5,000 to $15,000. The builder is long gone. The homeowner bears the expense. A homeowner purchasing an aluminum-wired home bought a fire hazard disguised as a cost-saving measure. The builder profited from the shortcut. The homeowner pays the price through insurance complications and fire risk. How to identify aluminum wiring. Aluminum wiring is silver-colored where visible. Copper wiring is copper-colored or brownish. Check visible wiring in the electrical panel and attic. If you see silver wiring, your home contains aluminum. Request an electrical inspection specifically looking for aluminum. Request remediation. If you own a home with aluminum wiring, hire a licensed electrician to inspect connection points. Request remediation of critical circuits. Replace aluminum with copper on all 15 AMP circuits. Demand the builder remediate if the home is new. File complaints with local building departments. If you are purchasing a home, hire an electrician to inspect for aluminum wiring before closing. Request seller remediation. Walk away if remediation is refused. If you made it this far, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I expose construction safety fraud every single week. Share this video with anyone owning homes or considering purchase.